I'm Nicole Deason from Microsoft, and I'm here today with Mike Nash from HP, who's joining me to talk about their latest announcements at CES. Welcome, Mike.
Thanks, Nicole. It's so great to be part of this process every year, and thanks for having us.
Yeah, this is such a great event. I'm thrilled you're here. I wanted to talk a little bit about HP's mission statement because HP calls out earning respect and loyalty from customers. I think this is really unique, and I'd love to hear how it plays out in your product development.
No, it's awesome. It's a great point. I think, overall, I'll say as we've been reinventing the PC category here at HP, everything we've been doing for a number of years has really put the customer at the center. Is that as much as the PC has become essential, helping to make sure that individuals are essential in the way they work and the way they play. That's our theme, and making sure that we're building products and features and services and capabilities that respond to and create the experiences that customers need to enable their stories.
Oh, I love that customer-centric focus. Can you tell us a bit about what's new from HP for CES 2021?
Absolutely. I do love talking about products, Nicole, as you know. I think the first product we'll talk about is the HP NV14. Think about the HP NV14 as your mobile personal creative studio. It's HP's first 14-inch product with a 16 by 10 display. And the benefit of that is it lets you see about 11% more content on a device that's about the same size. It's also HP's first 14-inch device with color calibration with Delta E less than 2 that provides precise, accurate colors for really a much more lifelike feel.
Wow, it sounds like it was tailor-made for creators.
Absolutely was, and I think we're super excited about that, but also excited about the new HP Elite Folio. The HP Elite Folio is cool, frankly, because of its new design and form factor. It's a pull-forward design that allows you to use the device in 3 modes. It really enables limitless micromobility. It allows users to switch seamlessly between these modes, but also stay connected with what matters, using 5G, using Wi-Fi 6, and using Bluetooth. From a productivity perspective, we also have the ability to power the essential work using the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8CX Gen 2 processor with integrated graphics. Not a problem working in a noisy environment because with the HP noise reduction, we have the ability to automatically use AI to block out sounds that aren't the person speaking. And of course, we have the ability to keep sensitive information private with the built-in integrated privacy screen that we're so proud of.
I love hearing about all the features that are designed so beautifully for the situations that we're all navigating right now.
Yeah, I think it really goes to this whole notion of different use cases. And I think the HP Elite Dragonfly is another great example of a device that's really great for working from home in different parts of your home, but also gets people ready to go back to work as well. The new Dragonfly G2 allows you to connect and collaborate from anywhere, anytime. It supports up to 5G class speeds, supports Wi-Fi 6. And one of the features I love is the fact that it has a built-in tile. So if you lose the device, you can use your phone to find your laptop just the way you might find a lost set of keys using tile, but it's built into the device. There's nothing to stick on the outside. We have AI-based dynamic audio, sound calibration, and noise reduction. It all is in a package that can start in a weight less than 1 kilogram. As I mentioned earlier, we're really focused on this notion of sustainability, and it's absolutely true with the Dragonfly G2. The outer box packaging is 100% sourced from sustainable components. The Dragonfly also has a big brother product, something we call the Elite Dragonfly Max. This is really a device without compromise. It allows you to make powerful connections. It has 4 wide-range microphones with AI-driven audio optimization software, a 5-megapixel IR camera. And we know it's just so important in these days of working remotely to look your best on camera. Having a 5-megapixel camera can make all the difference.
It's so great to see HP's commitment to sustainability, and it's inspiring the way it's showing up in your manufacturing processes. And frankly, just that there's so much more progress on this topic in our industry as a whole. Microsoft, too, has a deep commitment here. We've made a goal to promote sustainable development and low carbon business practices globally. We've been carbon neutral across the world since 2012, and Microsoft committed to being carbon negative by 2030.
It's so amazing to see how much we've had to change every phase of the customer life cycle and the product life cycle to make sure we're addressing these needs. But the opportunities are so important. We're so excited to be part of the process.
I love that. It is truly important for our industry and for the world. And Mike, I want to just say a very big thank you for joining us today. And thank you everyone for watching. Be sure to check out more announcements to come from CES 2021.